Enw i ydy Katie a dwi wedi creu elusen Joseph Smile yn memory fy mab fi, Joseph Ienryl. Mae Joseph wedi marw gyda cancer 2 flynedd yn ôl ac ni eisiau helpu nawr plant eraill i helpu nhw i codi arian am triniaeth sydd ddim ar gael ar yr NHS. Fundraising bwys bedside yn yr ysbyty yn horrendous. Felly beth ni'n neud nawr, ni'n helpu pobl sy'n codi arian am unrhyw fath o triniaeth neu cyfarpar. Da ni'n trio rhoi amser nôl i teulu achos mae amser gyda'r teulu yw'r rhywbeth sy'n mor pwysig yn y byd a ni eisiau rhoi hwnna nôl.
Ni bron yn mynd i ware gêm Cymru versus Lloegr. Ni'n gyda Euros 2016 Legends, mae Chris Coleman yn reolwr, mae Swans Legends lan 'na. Mae Sol Campbell mae fe'n amazing i weld shwt gymaint o wyneb ni'n gweld ar y teledu i helpu ni, y Lowery Foundation a pob plentyn sy'n ni'n helpu.
Faint o waith trefnu ni oedd?
Aw. Sdim geiriau gyda fi i gweud faint o gwaith sydd wedi mynd mewn i'r dydd hyn. Ni wedi bod lan i 4 o'r gloch yn y bore, lot o weithiau, ond gobeithio nawr mae popeth yn mynd yn iawn heddiw a be worth it.
Not played in one of these since I retired in a charity game. This is my first one. To get back on the Swansea pitch is special for me personally. It's a nice day. The fans are just starting to fill in now, so it's all the excitement's building in the dressing room.
I'm really excited. It's a fantastic cause. I haven't played football in about 15 years, so I don't know if I've got much expectation of today. But I'm in to enjoy it, and yeah, like I said, fundamentally we're all here for one thing.
I don't know really what to expect, but like I want to win. That's for certain. I think Wales to work to beat England, but no, I'm sure it'll be a lot of fun, and there'll be different abilities which makes it fun. Couple people with some skills in there, and then some people without. So we'll see, but I'm sure it'll make for a good game, definitely.
What's daunting is the size of them. They're massive. I don't know what happened to me, but I'm still waiting for my growth spurt.
Ashley, you're familiar with the Wales C goalkeeper, but now wearing the England shirt. What's going on?
Yeah, I know. Well, when they asked me to play in the game, they didn't tell me for the first couple of matches it was England, to be honest.
First minute. No, you could take the boy out of Wales.
Oh, it was quite slippery on that pitch, to be honest.
Nes i eisiau'r postyn, dwi'n di arfer bod yn y sefyllfa yna. Dwi'n di arfer bod o flaen gol, bach gormod amser, ella chymryd pethau bach yn ganiataol, mae wedi sgorio cyn iddi fynd i fewn.
With Wrexham, we've got League One coming up, and you're going to be challenging Paul Mullin for that number 9 spot.
Look, you know, I want to give Phil a decision to make. You know, ultimately, I think really Paul and I, it's Ollie Palmer that I'm coming for. I think is another big man, good touch, beard, you know, very attractive. I think Paul and I would gel together well. You know, I think we need his pace to scurry around off me.
How was that?
Fantastic, amazing. I mean, it's a brilliant thing to be here to support, but on a very personal, selfish level, I didn't injure myself, I didn't embarrass myself, I didn't cover myself in glory. But, you know, glory's not for everybody. Sometimes just making up the numbers is enough.
Nes I seicl heddi, so tyma bach o double booked I I 3 elusen yn y diwedd, ond wedys I Emma a pawb fi'n fynd I bod yma. Os i'n tyma bach yn hwyr, fi'n flin, ond byddai yma.
Unrhyw syniad ti ar ochr ore?
Na, dim really. Dwi wastad yn enjoyo gem bach fel yna, oherwydd fel cyn chwaraewr proffesiynol, ti'n dod I fewn iddo fo, ti'n eitha relaxed. O'n i'n yty ar y cae, a ti'n gweld bobl sydd ddim yn chwaraewr proffesiynol yn trio mynd heibio chdi, a ti'n meddwl, oce, nawn ni ddangos pam bod ni'n cael yn talu am wneud hyn, ond yn dactegol, mae'r boys rygbi, dyn nhw'n licio aros yn eu safleoedd, na di. Mae nhw jyst yn mynd, James Hook, Shane Williams.
Twyd, bod yn asgell chwith yn Pildro, mae rhaid chi bod eitha gloi. Fi'n 47 nawr, so fi wedi colli tyma bach o'na, ond na, mi jyst bach I bod yma. Neis I weld crowd yn y stadiwm eto, a neis I weld y boys eto, a cyfnogwydd, a pawb sy'n yma I casglu arian I ddoi elusen arbennig iawn.
Penglinian oce, Mae'r cyhyr yn y coesau yn finished. Dwi'n gwybod sut nes i chwarae 90 munud heb gael cramp. O'n i'n agos iawn yn y diwedd, ond mae werth o bob eiliad. Briliant cael bod yma, achos mor dda. Allai'n coelio be mae'r merched wedi wneud o ran y trefnu. Ac da ni hefyd yn falch bod ni di ennill.
Well, a good family occasion.
Yeah, definitely. It always is a Swansea game anyway, but you know, for the fans to come out and support two amazing charities and hopefully get their continued support, and then we can raise as much awareness and funds for both charities is the main thing. And on top of that, everyone had a great day as well.
Os ni'n gallu tyfu'r elusen, ni'n gallu helpu llawer o plant eraill. A dyma beth ni eisiau wneud, achos mae llawer o pobl mas yn Mrydain sy'n eisiau codi arian am triniaeth. Gobeithio bydd y gêm hwn nawr yn mynd i, a mae pawb yn mynd i helpu ni i wneud unrhyw fath o fundraising. A mae'n gallu ddweud, wel, dwi'n gwybod, ni'n gallu wneud marathon am Joseph Smile. Gobeithio dyna beth ni'n eisiau i cael mas o'r gêm hwn.